Right, question 4. I'm not 100% sure what it's doing on this particular paper. It's kind of snuck through from the amount of a substance paper, but we'll have a look at it anyway. It's this question here. The manufacturer supplying a concentrated ethanoic acid for the production of vinegar also supplies other acids. The label has come off a batch of one of these other acids. A sample of this unknown acid was analysed and found to contain 54.5% carbon and 9.1% hydrogen, the remainder being oxygen. Now this is worth 3 marks, so the first mark will be for working out what the remaining percentage is of this. And it's 100, take away this, and you get 36.4. So you'd actually get a mark for that one. The next thing to do, this is it's asking you to work out the empirical formula. Now to work out the empirical formula, you've first got to work out the number of moles and then determine what the simplest whole number ratio of those moles are. So to calculate, so this, consider this as being a mass value. If you then divide each of these by their masses, so 12, 1 and 16, we can work out the number of moles. And in this case it's 4.54, 9.1 and 2.28. Now you got 1 mark for calculating all 3 of those. What you then do to get a simplest whole number ratio is to divide each of these by the smallest number, and then that way we are comparing it to 1. And what we end up with is a 2 to 4 to 1 ratio of carbon to hydrogen to oxygen. So written out in full it would look like this. You get 1 mark for working out the ratio, and you get 1 mark for showing, in fact no, that'd be 4 marks, wouldn't it? So either of these two. Yeah, either of these two will get you the mark.